Hey everyone!
Hello friends.
Today we are at the Dame Farm and Orchard in Rhode Island.
Yeah.
We will link some info down below if you two want to come visit. We're gonna do a little bit of apple picking and maybe we'll make some pies or something.
Maybe.
With it. Or just eat them.
Or I'll just eat them all here and get yelled at.
We'll show you a little overview of the orchard. We got our bags. There's some pumpkins too. We might get a pumpkin. But it's a beautiful day.
Yes.
Yay. So let's take a look. They've got tons of different kinds of apple trees. And it's pretty open, which is nice. Oh wow, hey, look at that fella.
Apple of my eye.
Honeycrisp. It's so funny how like they're all different sizes. Like a lot of them are short, but there's some trees that are like super tall. Like, have you ever been to an orchard that you needed the ladders?
I have been to one when I was a kid. I haven't been to one recently.
Yeah, same.
Jesus.
I know, that's probably what they're waiting for. Yay! Look at that. Boop.
Mother load.
You can get right up in here. Look at that. How pretty. Ta-da! Beautiful.
You take one bite out of this and you get a logo.
It's so cute. Oh yeah. It's so cute and little and wonderful.
I like it. It's going in my bag.
Nice.
One.
Got it.
Oh wow.
Time to brush it off. Shine that buddy up. Look at that. Ooh, it's sprinkling.
Juicy.
So good. I'm gonna hide in the tree.
Meg found a leafy one.
Well, I plucked it off the tree. The leaves came with it.
Whoa!
Yeah, man. It's still raining. The service is not so hot today.
Oh, that's what you get for raining.
I don't think rain interrupts service.
Oh, it does. This is how the Instagram magic happens.
Trying.
No more leaves. Yes.
Oh, something.
Gorgeous.
Hi.
Hello.
Weird. It's like camera inception.
Camception? Incamtion? I see what you games at. You can't take pictures of me.
You got apples or something?
Look at these two. They think they're special. They think they're so cool with their technologies. Well, guess what? We win. My parents, ladies and gentlemen.
Aren't they cute? Been together, married 40 years.
You know what's crazy? On this incline, my dad looks taller than my mom. How'd you do?
Great.
Big old bag.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I keep singing in my head that song. I love you, a bushel and a peck. That one.
Yeah.
Because they're like, what size would you like? And your dad's like, let's get a peck. And I was like, bye.
Yeah, I knew what you meant. I knew exactly where you were going with it because I heard and my brain went there too.
Yeah. So I think we should go see if they have any cider or donuts. And if not, we'll...
Or cider donuts.
Cider donuts. We'll head back. And maybe we can
Get a pumpkin.
get a pumpkin. And we can make some pie later.
Bingo.
What are we doing today, Ev?
I don't know.
All the fall things.
There you go.
That's my anthem for this fall, in case you were wondering.
There you go.
Trademark, copyright. Just kidding.
Blink-182 owns most of that.
All right.
Hello.
It is quite later, and I made a pie.
A pie.
So that's it, really. I'll show you this. Beautiful pie. Ta-da! Why do I say ta-da a lot? I don't know why that's a thing.
Voila!
Ho ho ho! It's a pie.
And now it must die.
Oh no! So yeah, there's my thing. My pie. It's got apples in it.
I would hope so.
And
considering we picked them just today, right?
I cheated and got a store-bought crust. Oh, wow, you're so dark with that backlight. Oh, baby. Wow, that's real bad.
Is that better? Great. You didn't answer. Oh. Well, look at our Portland stuff up here somewhere. That's fun. And we're gonna eat this pie when it cools down. And like, share, subscribe. Instagram, all the way from Disney.
Or Datney.
Oh.
Just kidding.
Twitter, HAFD, official.
Oh, fish.
Oh, fish.
Oh, cat.
Nip. It's snot.
Hardy, 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 hardy.
No.
Bye.